In today's science and art class, we are learning why the body needs to be clean and how to do it with this book by Jenna Lee Glazner. Let's go! Getting dirty. Getting dirty is normal. It can be fun, but it is important to clean up. Why do we need to keep our bodies clean? Let's find out. Keeping clean. We keep our bodies clean to look and smell nice. We also clean our bodies to get rid of germs. Germs can make us sick. They are too small to see with our eyes. Stopping germs. Germs spread in the air, but we can help keep germs from spreading too much, and we do this by covering our mouths and nose when we cough or sneeze. Then throw away your tissues and wash your hands afterwards. Clean your hands. Germs get into our bodies, and too many germs can make us sick. Wash your hands many times each day and wash them after going to the bathroom too. Also, wash them before you eat. Healthy hint: wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Time yourself and sing the ABC song while you wash. How to wash your hands. Step 1. Wet your hands. Step 2. Add soap. Step 3. Scrub the backs of your hands, fingers and nails. Step 4. Rinse your hands with clean water. And Step 5. Dry your hands on a clean towel. Clean nails. Don't forget your fingernails. Wash under them when you wash your hands. Germs like to live under long nails. Trimming nails short keeps them clean. Clean body. We touch many things each day. Germs can be on all those things. You may need a bath or shower every day. It is important to wash your whole body. Warm soapy water works best. And then there's clean hair. Get your whole scalp wet when you wash your hair. Rub the shampoo into your hair. Rub the suds into your scalp too. This cleans your hair better. Healthy hint: rinse your hair until all the suds are gone. This washes away all the shampoo and dirt. The suds are the bubbles. You must also clean your teeth. Cleaning our mouths keeps us healthy too. We need our teeth to chew food. Brushing our teeth cleans away bacteria. Bacteria can cause a cavity. Healthy hint: brush your teeth at least 2 times a day. You do not need a lot of toothpaste. The size of a pea is enough. Keeping clean. There are many ways to stay clean. We can keep our bodies clean every day. This helps stop the spread of germs, and it keeps our bodies healthy. Now let's go through the words we learned today. The first one is bacteria. These are tiny living things that can be anywhere and makes us sick. Cavity is a hole in the tooth that forms when bacteria eats away at the tooth. Germs are tiny living things that can cause disease. And then scalp is the skin that covers the top and back of your head. Now it's your turn. Why do you think it's so important to keep clean? And what are some ways you do it every day? Share with me down below. Afterwards, I'll see you in the next class for some more learning fun. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.